Traditional manufacturing improves the supply chain by improving the efficiency, by making it faster, by making it more reliable. So in this way, if we integrate the traditional supply chain into the manufacturing, then we will have a better inventory management, high cost reduction, better OTIF. OTIF means on time in full, high customer satisfaction. So these are the areas which can help traditional supply chain, traditional manufacturing integration into the supply chain.
Yeah.
There are multiple other factors also which I want to deep dive into it, but I think these are the few things which is okay as of now. See, integrating AI into manufacturing, although it is a need of the hour,
Yeah.
so it will improve the efficiency. First of all, it will improve the quality control. And the challenges, if you talk about specifically, there is a high upfront cost requirement. Yes, which is the major issue. Secondly, there is a high skill gap in automotive industry, because we people are mechanical engineers, not the data science people. But
Yeah.
yes, we have a very little knowledge of, you can say, AI. We have the knowledge of models, but how to actually integrate and how it will perform, how it will behave, depends at that time.
Yes, sir.
So apart from these two challenges, I must say it is a data integration. Data integration is one of the, you can say, most important point in which data requirement. See, are working on very old processes. So old process, there is a huge data in a car. There are more than 2,000 parts.
Yeah.
And if I include all the BOP part, it is more than 35,000 parts. So if a Maruti Suzuki, let's say, is making 8,000 cars per day, and the volume is 25 lakhs into 35,000, so the data is very humongous. So integrating the data, cleaning the data, sorting the data, make it structure is one of the challenges. If we overcome these challenges, then we can make our supply chain better, faster, reliable, more efficient, more quality control. First of all, they should be open to learn.
Yeah.
Yes, that is a trait. I am not talking about skill. That is a trait. Yes, they must be aware of the new trends which are going on, new challenges which are going on in the industry, how the disruptions are going on, geopolitical issues are at the maximum, the supply chain is getting fragile. So they should be ready for that. The industry has been changed in last 5 years tremendously.
Yeah.
So they should be ready for that.